Hi guys, it's a beautiful day. We have come here in Halifax, Nova Scotia, and we are right now in front of Residence Inn by Marriott. We are staying here for a couple of weeks. We'll show you all the facilities of the property, our rooms, how the breakfast is, everything. So let's see. Let's go inside. So this is our room. King bed with sofa bed, I think the room type.
Yes.
King or queen bed? I think it is queen bed.
Queen
bed.
Not king.
Queen bed with a sofa. And the light is here. So here we have a stove top, a microwave, a freeze.
There are so many cupboards also. I think you can check there.
Yep, this is our dishwasher.
Oh, coffee machine is also there.
Yeah, tea and coffee we have. Then all these are already
Oh,
here.
all the cutleries is there.
Yep.
Nice. And they have provided all, right? Oh, knives and all are also here.
Yes. Everything we need is already here. We don't need to purchase anything right away.
Hmm.
Here we have these things. This is for dishwasher. Alright, here we have our kitchen equipments as well. So, easy for cooking. We have a chopping board, kitchen towels,
Soap.
washing liquid, a big sink. In here we have lots of plates and glasses and cups. Let's see, here also we have some toaster.
Oh, toaster here.
This is empty.
Yeah, I think the cooking space is quite
Yeah.
good. We can keep and chop and place our utensils there also. I think it is good.
So coming to this side, here we have our work table for office purpose. We can sit here and work. There we have the dining table just beside the kitchen area. Also we have two chairs for both of us. This side we have the sofa bed, a small lamp there. Here is a big TV. Our queen size bed.
Yes.
We have our big window, and
Yes.
let's see what is the view. It's a sunny day, it's a beautiful day actually, and the view is the streets. It is a happening area of downtown Halifax. All the bars and restaurants here I can already see. We have Irish pub, Subway, shoe shop. This side it is a big restaurant, and Rogers Square is down there.
Yeah, I think that
Oh,
night
look.
we are going to see the peoples here.
Right now it is almost empty, no one is here, but all these bars and restaurants, I think
But,
people will come out at night.
but I
and-
think these cars, these are all the peoples are in the restaurant. That's why they
Maybe.
park
Yeah.
their car here.
So the hotel is actually in a very happening area, right in heart of the downtown.
And also we are getting sunlight
Yeah.
in the room.
So what we have here, we have a lock. There also we have some USB chargers and plugs. A thread. We have the telephone here, another drawer, charger. Here is the dressing area. We have a basin. This side we have a wardrobe. Some more blankets here. Hang out there. We have a laundry bag. Iron board. And this is the bathroom and shower. What do we have in the shower? So only thing lacking is a bathtub. Yeah, this room doesn't have any bathtub, but it's a nice bathroom and shower. Okay, so we are all set.
Yeah.
This is our whole room from a corner. It's quite spacious. No. We have the laundry room this side. We need to swipe our room key to enter the laundry room. And inside we have 3 washers here. One is used to empty. This is coin operated for washing $3. And here we have 2 dryers. For dryer we need $2.75. How big is the dryer? This is the gym.